Siragu is an NGO that provides shelter and support for women who have experienced abuse and hardship. These women are learning new skills, including crafting beautiful handmade bags that they sell to earn a living. The bags not only provide them with financial independence but also help them rebuild their self-worth and strength. When we were tasked with designing a space for Siragu, we wanted to create something that could showcase the women's work while being flexible and functional. Our goal was to design a collapsible kiosk, something portable, easy to set up, and visually reflective of the women's resilience. We brainstormed ideas that would allow the kiosk to adapt to different environments, whether it was for exhibitions, pop-up shops, or even local events. In sourcing materials, we focused on sustainability and ease of use. We chose lightweight, eco-friendly wood and durable fabric that would not only stand the test of time, but also be easy to transport. We wanted to make sure that the kiosk was both functional and aligned with the values of Siragu, supporting their mission while offering a beautiful, practical space for the women to display their creations. Building the kiosk was a collaborative process. We worked closely with the women of Siragu to involve them in the creation. We taught them some of the basics of construction and assembly, making it a learning experience. The design needed to be simple and efficient, but also visually appealing. The final product is a portable, collapsible structure that can easily be set up in various locations, providing a stable, welcoming space for the women to display their bags and other handmade items. The kiosk plays a crucial role in empowering the women at Siragu. It's more than just a display unit. It's a platform for them to connect with the community, share their stories, and showcase the incredible work they've done. Whether for exhibitions, pop-up shops, or community events, the kiosk brings attention to the women's craft and gives them a space to earn and grow. The collapsible design ensures that they can take the kiosk wherever they need it, making it adaptable to any setting and event.